fucking get it. Let's fucking get it. Let's fucking get it.
So say you do get your car blowing up.
Let's not talk about that.
No, I'm just saying, like, hypothetically. And you put it on YouTube. I feel like that shit's gonna blow up. And then you can just buy a new car.
Blow up, I get it. Well, we'll see how the night goes.
Doesn't get in any trouble. Just pull up as soon as you get on. Looks like we're all clear. No cars for sight. Let's go. You guys should get going because that cop's done writing that warning now. So I need everyone to get going. We're gonna get runs in.
At this moment, he knew. He fucked up.
So oil keeps coming out. Oil keeps coming out of my shit.
Believe it or not, I got somebody.
I can't even rev high, bro. That's a lot. Shit, man. I got a catch can right there, and I got a breather right here, and those high RPM shifts. Yeah, it does not like it. Well, it's not completely blown up, but the motor's pretty much done. Let me tell you guys what happened pretty much. Let's start with Lund sending me my final revision. I went on, did my last data log pull, second gear 25 all the way to 7,500. I'll put it right here. Holy shit! And after that, the tune was on point. Everything was good to go. Lund said I was fine. Lund said I'm good. And tune is finalized. So I went out and filmed my hard pulls reaction video, like my first time reaction with the new setup. And pretty much on my first pull, oil came out right here, all over the place. And well, I had the two breathers set up, right? So I tried to figure out what the problem was. Maybe I just thought I was just, you know, getting some blow by, some really bad blow by. So I tried it one more time. I went out with my roommate Tito. I had his catch can right here and breather right here, and we went out and did some pulls. You guys are gonna see that video next. But we went out, did some pulls, and everything was fine. No smoke was coming out, and no oil was showing right there. So I thought the catch can fixed the problem. I should have mentioned that in the first pull, when oil went all over the place. It was smoking because oil was dripping down into the header, and oil was just burning. But the motor was fine. It wasn't knocking. In the dipstick, it was fine. The oil level was fine. Like, the car was fine. Everything was okay. It was just leaking oil right here, all over the cover. So I just thought it was a little minor thing, but obviously not. Anyways, I thought we fixed the problem with the catch can, so went out and took the car to Mexico for the first time. And honestly, I think the first pull did it. I didn't completely get like runs. I was just out testing the car, and I was just ripping it. Like, we're out on the highway, and I was just sending it. And by the time we got to the next spot, to the gas station, I had a homeboy tell me that he smelled burnt oil and I was leaking oil, and I popped the hood, and again, oil all over the place. And I talked to a couple people, and they told me that it's probably the piston rings. Piston rings are going out. Now, it's not knocking, but it's pretty much done. Like, any sort of pulls, it's just gonna blow up. Like, if I go out and do a pull right now, it'll probably blow up. Maybe not the first pull, but it'll for sure blow up if I rev it up high. Fuck, guys. It really only happened when I revved up higher than 7K and then the oil started coming out, and that's it. Now, I knew this was gonna happen, but I didn't think it was gonna happen so soon. I didn't think it was gonna happen right when I put this on. I literally just put in the ported Boss 2 intake manifold, a 3.6 pulley, my Cloud RC clutch and flywheel. I literally just spent about $2,000 in my car just for it to fuck up. We're just gonna have to go Gen 2.